Hello, and welcome to this guided meditation to help with chronic pain. My name's Jackie, and if you enjoy this meditation, please remember to like and subscribe. So chronic pain can be very hard to handle, but many times when we create a mental image of our suffering, we tend to aggravate this pain, thus increasing it. So I'd like to create a really safe place for you. Because every time we feel a sensation, we will have a negative thought attached to it on a conscious and subconscious level. So what this meditation will teach you are techniques to change the mental image that has been created from this pain, and instead implement a peaceful association with pleasant visualizations that create a warmer bonding between you and your body's sensations. This allows you to accept and allow instead of fight and push away. So as usual, make sure you're in a really comfortable position for you. Sit down or lay down if that feels good for you. However, you need to position yourself so that none of your muscles are activated or tense. Every part of your body can rest and feel completely relaxed during this meditation. So when you feel comfortable, begin by taking 5 deep breaths to relax even more. So full breath in and let go. Breathe in and exhale. Breathe in as much as you can and let it go, feeling a wave of relaxation come over you. Inhale deeply and exhale. One more, fully inhale and exhale. Feeling any tension loosen up and your body beginning to feel extremely relaxed. Good. And just allow your breath to slow and flow naturally now. Don't try to change anything about it. Just notice the calmness that these 5 breaths gave to you. Notice how your body breathes without you doing anything at all. Begin to feel any sensations that you associate with your pain. Bring them into your awareness and allow the feelings to multiply. But remember, you're completely safe and secure. It's okay to allow these sensations to arise They won't harm you. So put all of your focus on these areas. Really feel their exact position and the quality of the sensations. What's the pain like for you? Is it stinging, tingling, or burning? Perhaps it's like something else. In your mind, describe every detail and then sit with it. Be entirely with it while it presents itself. Don't do anything about it except feel it. Allow these sensations to grow and don't stop them. Just see what they do. Notice the details of changes the sensations make. Good. You're really doing well. Now, switch your focus and bring into your mind's eye a visual of a place that you love to go, or that you've been to, that's really serene and peaceful for you. It could be an imaginary place, like on the top of a gorgeous mountain, or somewhere you frequently go, like a nearby nature path or a woodland with beautiful trees and a blue sky. Or your favourite place could be as simple as your warm, cosy bed next to a loved one. Wherever this place is for you, see it vividly right now. Start by visualizing all the physical aspects of this place. Where are you? What do you see when you look up? If you're outside, it could be the sky. If you're in a safe room somewhere, it could be the ceiling. Notice everything you see when you look up. Now look down and at your feet. What does the ground look like below you? Gaze all around this favourite place of yours, making the colours bright and vivid. Make out even more details now, like the leaves on the trees and plants, or the things that are placed around the room. Do you notice any patterns anywhere? They could be patterns in nature, like the way things grow, or the patterns of fabrics and objects in a room. Notice every pattern you can find in great detail. The more details you can imagine, the better. How dark or light out is it? What time of the day do you think it is? And make a judgment about the placement of the sun in the sky. Which way is the light of the sun coming into your imagination? Look at all of the beautiful things that make this place so enjoyable for you. Use your visual creativity of this place for the next several moments. Lovely. Now you're going to bring about the sensations this beautiful spot offers. In your mind, start by tapping your feet on the ground. Is the surface hard or soft? Feel the ground below you here with your feet, noticing anything you can about it. Become aware of the temperature in this place of yours. Is it cool or warm or hot? Is there a breeze blowing, or is the air calm and still? Can you feel the sun on your skin? Sit with these sensations for a few moments and really enjoy them. Are there any smells here? If you're imagining the beach, maybe you can smell the salty air. Or if you're in a forest, beautiful smell of nature. Just notice how your sense of smell can create sensations of aromas for you, and when you put your mind to it. What about sounds? Bring fully into this experience any sounds that might surround you here. Perhaps you can hear a loved one nearby. Perhaps you're alone and can hear the sounds that nature creates for you. Vividly hear any sounds in this experience. Sit with these senses activated for a few moments and begin to interact with your environment. That's great. And to relax even further, become aware of what you're doing here in your safe place. Are you sitting down and relaxing? Or are you walking around and exploring? Are you doing exactly what you love and want to do? See yourself being completely relaxed and really happy here. There's no need to do anything here but relax and really enjoy it. be assured this place is always here for you to keep you safe if you need to flee from pain. Now take another slow and deep breath in. And as you exhale, you feel at complete peace with yourself and all of the sensations in your body. As I speak these words to you, you are changing the mental images associated with your pain. Whenever you feel overwhelmed by the sensations in your body, repeat this exercise to accept the pain and change the thoughts associated with it. When you use this technique, you will stop the pain from becoming aggravated and growing stronger. When you vividly visualize a safe and peaceful place in moments of distress, you are slowing down your pulse and blood pressure, creating a peaceful and strong connection to your body and mind. So allow yourself slowly to become aware of your surroundings. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes, ready to go about your day peacefully.